Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Do I have to keep you under lock and key?
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Now we both know that's not how it should be.
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
You're a sweet, fine, sexy woman and you're good to a man.
'Cause if I have to put my handcuffs on your mama,
I hope that you will understand. If I have to keep you barefoot and pregnant, or to keep you here in my world. Lay down and take off your shoes. Girl, I wanna do to you what it is I've got to do. If we've been fighting like you said we do, I know you won't mind if I be possessive. Now would you? Your creature like loving, you know it is for blame. That's why I can ask you and not even feel ashamed.
do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Are you susceptible to flat tie and game? Lord, we can game.
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Will you submit to the best humanity call your name?
'Cause if I have to put my handcuffs on your mama,
Don't you know I know that wouldn't be unkill?
do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
I don't mind. I'll put 'em on, yeah. God, I'll be the fool. I don't care about looking like a chauvinistic kind of whatever. Some corny. Corny can go to hell. And if I find that I need some help, I'm gonna pull out my chastity belt. What it is I've got to do. If we've been riding like you say that we do, then you won't mind if the people that they ever want you. Your creature like loving, you know it is the blame. That's why I can ask you and not even feel ashamed.
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Do I have to keep you under lock and key?
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Now we both know that's not how it should be.
Do I have to put my handcuffs on your mama?
Are you susceptible to flat tie